Analysing and reporting anticipated values. At the beginning of your estimates, if you want to calculate a pre-estimate value of the approximate overall cost of your project, then you'll appreciate the anticipated value feature for direct cost and overhead costs schedules. You can import or copy data from another project to quickly build up a professional approximate of what the anticipated ballpark rates and totals are likely to be. You can use the anticipated values to compare the accuracy of the pre-estimate approximate cost of the project with the final actual rates and costs. This is useful to show where the resource costs have changed or where unexpected gaps were in the estimate. You evaluate the anticipated values in the Anticipated Values Analysis window. To find this, go to the Analysis tab, then click on Anticipated Value Analysis. This tool tracks how close the anticipated values are to your estimated prices at the end of your project. It's a detailed way to know how well you did in your professional approximation of how much the project was going to cost. You can refer to the anticipated value analysis during the project to see how close you are to being on track with your pre-estimate. As far as reports are concerned, anticipated values are available in the direct cost summary and overhead cost summary. Click on Change in the bottom left corner. Then, at the top, in the Format section, tick Show Anticipated Values. This function in the Direct Cost Summary and Overhead Cost Summary reports shows you the same key information that you see in the Anticipated Value Analysis window. This is a legacy feature from Expert Estimation 2014 that has been migrated over to Expert Estimation Genesis. If you're a 2014 user and you have anticipated values, importing the project into Genesis will automatically import the anticipated values into your new project. And that's an introduction to anticipated values in Expert Estimation. Have a look at our knowledge base article if you'd like to know more. You can also call our in-house support specialists. We're here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.